What's going on, guys? It's Mark. We're out here sweating our butts off for you guys to make content. So do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button. Keep up with some more of the cool stuff we're trying to bring out here for you guys. Today, we're gonna show you how to make breakfast without a pan. So we got bacon and eggs with a paper bag that you would take to school when you were a kid. Simple stuff, and we're gonna show you how to prep it and cook it right over this fire. All right, guys, we got some extra thick cut. You know how we do it. We're gonna get this, open it in our bag. We're gonna get probably 3 pieces of bacon out here. Set the rest to the side. We can fold them back. So we got 1, we got 2, and we got 3 pieces of thick cut bacon. Nothing in the bag. Nothing under the bag. The bacon grease is gonna do all the work for us. So we're gonna go ahead and line the bottom of our bag with our bacon, making sure that it coats the bag nicely, because if you have any dry parts of the bag on the bottom, you can bet that this bag is gonna go up in flames and you're gonna watch your breakfast burn. All right, so now we got our bacon covering the bottom of that bag. We're gonna go ahead and get our eggs out here. Crack them right into the top. As you can see, the bottom of this bag is saturated with that fat. That's exactly what we want. In fact, we're gonna probably rub some more bacon grease on the bottom. Put them right there on top of the bacon.
Give the fire some vitamin C.
Oh yeah. All right, guys, so now that we have our bacon down there, eggs right on top, we're gonna go ahead and fold this bag down, making sure that those corners stay in. We're gonna go ahead and poke a small hole in this bag. We got our stick right here. We chose an alive sapling. Unfortunately, we needed to get something live, but it's gonna keep it from burning while it's over the fire. We have our pre-pierced hole, and then we're just gonna go ahead and shove the end of this bag right on the end of this stick, making sure that it's in there far enough that it's not gonna fall off halfway through. As you can see, this bag is heavy and it is saturated with oil. Now we're gonna get it over the fire. As you can see, the egg's dripping through a little bit. Hopefully that bag won't give way on us.
Once it cooks, it'll stop dripping.
So it's been going here now for about 7 minutes. Got the beautiful sounds of nature in the background. Jet boats and airplanes, can't escape them. But let's check out what's in this bag. As you can see, it did not rip. With the egg seeping through, we were able to get a full cook. You want to peek inside and look. Looks like our egg is still a tiny bit runny, so we're gonna go ahead and put it back over the fire. All right, guys, we're gonna check out this final product here. Our bag was safe and secure over that fire. As you can see, it got very nice and charred, but as I told you, that bacon grease did exactly what it was supposed to do. We're just gonna finish cutting this bag open here and check out what we got. A little bit of breakfast for dinner here on this rock. Oh yeah, that looks beautiful. Wow, we got cooked bacon. We got little runny eggs there, as you can see. And we are ready to dig in. All right, guys, we're gonna taste test this bacon. If it's raw, I'll let you know.
We're all gonna have a slice, so we'll be in it together.
Let's cut this bad boy. All right, guys, we're back here. We're looking at this bacon right now. I'm gonna give it a taste test. Hopefully, won't get any salmonella. Yo, that's honestly really good. You guys want some of this?
No, I'm good.
That's actually impressive. For no pan, use a brown paper bag.
How do you like that raw bacon, Mark?
Bro, it's not raw.
It's basically like if you just took raw bacon and just like put it on a sidewalk and let it get a little warm. And then
Shut up.
It's the placebo effect. It's warm, it tastes cooked.
It's like if you took bacon and put it in the microwave for 15 seconds.
Honestly, bro, people are eating pork raw now. Like, you could get it rare, medium rare.
This is really good. Honestly, would recommend.
Alright, so we're recording and Mark just cooked bacon and it is raw, like straight raw, and he has no idea.
Right now, I'm gonna give it a taste test. Hopefully, won't get any salmonella. Yo, that's honestly really good.
It's literally not cooked at all.